driving back to the island. I have gloves on. The windows are open. When I get back, I'll Lysol the car. Okay, I'm gonna clean the car. Cleaning the car. Cleaning the car. We got disinfectant wipes. Eight feet. 8 feet. It's gotta be 8 feet. 8 feet. 8 feet. It's gotta be 8 feet. The rest of our lives.
Okay, process is done. How you doing, guy?
So now what you do is you take the Lysol, you shut all the windows, and you spray the entire car. And you douse it with Lysol. After you've cleaned every single surface. So let me shut the windows first. Okay, everything's shut. Start in the back, spray everything down, spray things, spray things, shut the door. Spray everything, 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 shut the door.
And that's what you do cleaning the car that you just rented with Lysol wipes, Lysol Disinfected, and Lysol spray, and with paper towels. Stuff everyone has to have. These are necessities. These are essentials. And this also allows you to have less stress because of the V, right? I got some gum here. I don't want to put it back in my mouth. It's dirty, sorry. But the V, you know what I'm talking about? So these are the things and the precautionary measures humanity is going to have to take going forward in order to stay healthy. Because it's on every single damn surface. It's in the air, it's everywhere. Oops, I said the V word. The V is everywhere. It's on every surface. It's on bikes. It's in the pool. It's on these carts right here that haven't been wiped down or cleaned. It's on everything. And you can't allow the virus to spread because we as humans need to survive, and also because, holy cow, we haven't been here for too long, and we don't survive very long, and we haven't dealt with viruses ever before. John Hart Crane, much love. That's how you clean a car. Now I'm inside, right? My gloves are off, my mask is off. I feel safe because I'm indoors now, right? So since we're indoors, let me just show you. I'm gonna do the Kate Winslet, everybody. All right, all these actors and actresses, oh, wash your hands, because when I did the movie Pandemic or the movie Contagion, you have to wash your hands, right? And do it for at least 20 seconds. Listen, stop it. All you need to know is what paramedics tell people when they teach CPR classes, and that is, whenever you go by a sink, wash your hands. When you touch a surface and you haven't washed your hands, take note of it. This is all about mindfulness and awareness, as well as your immune system. Mindfulness and awareness on so many levels, and that also complements you understanding your immune system. So I've been in this sink in this wonderful water for a while. Well, water, that's an interesting molecule, isn't it? H2O. And then what's oxygen? That's O2. Wow. Maybe we should start paying attention to what is happening at a molecular level in our bodies, and what's affecting us at a molecular level. Because this is, shoot, the V has been around for a long time. And there's plenty of narratives about that we're not getting from our journalists and whatnot. They're playing into this. They don't understand the idea of being pulsed and what frequencies can do to a human being. And you have to understand that to be able to go and actually do real investigative journalism. Oh, oatmeal. The virus is in it. Dave, thank you so much. I just videotaped me cleaning the car, wiping it down, spraying Lysol. I mean, 2 minutes ago, I just walked inside the house. I'm sweating from it. So I just got everything done. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Bonnie and Dave were gems. Like the first sign of compassion that happened for me being here on Sanibel was Dave and Bonnie yesterday saying, you don't need to bike over 20 miles in the morning across the causeway in the dark to get to the car rental. We'll take you. And they did that because I was showing compassion too. And it just was very nice. We wore masks, we were very safe, we had gloves, and we did everything right. Okay, and we went over there and they saved me an hour and a half bike ride in this horrible conditions down here in Florida.